Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Heaven Panties subscription, so let's get in it and check it out real quick. Panty is one of those subscriptions that's just a nice, affordable subscription. You are going to get one pair of panties each month. They have just raised the price. It's $13 now, but, and I'm cutting this open, they've also made some really nice improvements. First of all, you can now stack the credit you have. Before, you could only use one credit at a time. So now if you have several credits, you can use them all toward your purchase. So you could absolutely end up with free things. You still get dollar for dollar credit with your purchase. When you first sign up, you'll go in, you'll do a survey, you'll let them know what size you are. Be sure and check the sizing. I was surprised to find on their site that as a 14-16, I was an XXXL. The good news is I've heard that they are adding plus, and when I got on to look at it today, they already have an XXXXL, and I think that that might be an 18-20. So that is good news because they are becoming more inclusive. So each month you will get this bag with one pair of underwear in it. It came in the other bag that I held up, so it comes nicely protected. And then, like I said, with your credits, you can go on and get yourself more free items because you earn 1-for-1 credit. And I will put my link below, and I believe, ooh, these are so cute. I believe with that link you will get $20 in credit. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Let me get them off of here. So they come, I just ripped them off before I even gave you a chance to see. They come in that cute, on that cute cardboard. And this is my pair this month. So these are kind of like hipsters. It's a really firm, kind of non-elastic. It almost has that, you know, that rolled edge that they do so that they're fairly seamless. It feels like that. And this one has undies on it. It's like bras and panties and I think a corset maybe. So cute. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. You will go on, you will fill out the survey, you'll let them know if you like hipsters, if you like thongs, if you would only like thongs, if you would never like thongs. You let them know your choice. They ask you about fabrics, like do you wear cotton? They ask questions like, is it, you know, sometimes, frequently, rarely, those kinds of things. So they get a real feel for what you're looking for in style, in fabrication. Then it's $13 a month, and for that, like I said, you get this really cute pair of nice quality underwear. I was super impressed with last month. I am super impressed again with this month's, and it's just that easy. It's not any big convoluted subscription. It's just $13. You get a pair of panties, you get $13 in credit in the shop, and then as time goes along, they've made it so that you can now stack those. So if you find something in the shop that's $26 that you want, after 2 months, you can just go in and get it for free. So your money really stretches there. I put on my glasses because this is still new to the channel and I didn't want to miss anything. They say each pair is worth $15, and I have been out there and looking at these, so that is true. You get 1-for-1 monthly credit rewards worth $13. You get a complimentary stylist service, that's $10, and free shipping. And I misspoke. The XXXL is a 14-16, but the XXXXL is a 16-18, not an 18-20. It's just that simple. If you have any questions, let me know below. If it's something that I can help with, I am happy to. If not, I will try and find out the information for you. Thank you so much for coming by and checking this out. And thank you to Heaven Panty. They did send this over to me free for review on the channel, so I want to be sure and thank them for that. And I will see you guys again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. Bye.